Okay, here we are on project 3 at Udon. The guys have just finished doing the render on the columns. So now they're marking all the datum line for the ceilings. Here's the big foreman control the job. Kitchen counters in. All the stuff for the drywall, all the C-line. So we're just marking out where for the counters, for the units. Double unit, drawer unit, double unit for the sink, single unit, drawer, oven, double unit, double unit, double unit. So that's that for the kitchen, which comes up to here, which is 90 centimeter from the floor after tiles finished. In the bathroom here, all scratch coated, going up the top of the door for the tiling. We marked out for where the basin's going. Here, tiling there, there's a top to go on top of here. A shower unit with the storage niche here for the electric. There's no hot and cold feed on here, this one, so it's just straight hot water shower unit. No hot water for the sink. Outside, all the columns are finished. So all around is just about done apart from the bathroom and the kitchen area. I've just got myself a airless compressor for spraying. I'll show you how that's used. It saves a lot of work. So I'll finish off doing the primer. I've been wanting one for ages. Didn't know how to use one, but I know how to use one now. Again, in this bathroom, I know it's a little bit dark here. Again, we have a sliding door here, 90 centimeter door, slides in, comes to here. The kitchen, the basin counter comes out. That's where the door slides in a bit into the counter. Again, countertop off there. Shower area. All looking good. So you got a 10 centimeter step down, 10 centimeter step down into the wet area. They're noisy buggers. So long sorting out all the datum lines. Just finished using the laser, so he's marked up all the locations. But do the chalk line. What's these guys are doing? Yeah. Oh, okay. Put some chalk on his line. Then they can do all the measurements from there up on for the ceiling. So the ceilings are quite high on here. They're 3.2 at the highest point and 3 meters at the lowest point. Kitchen area, we're gonna step down a bit more that way and put like lighting over the counter, over the breakfast bar and over the counters. So we're gonna make a special design for that. The guys that come from Conken, so they're sleeping here. We have the green boards for the outside, we have the standard gypsum 9mm for inside. Bit of a short video, small update, but as you can see, they're covering 3 projects. Project 1 Conken, Project 2 Conken, Project 3 Udon. So there's plenty to cover in a week, but small updates. So I'll stick the drone up and let you have a look around, do some drone work. Okay, bye for now.